everybody and welcome to my channel. I went to Walgreens. So last night I made a video that the new Walgreens system has started. Some of you guys said that you lost your points. I would contact Walgreens and say I want my points back because they didn't specify, because you apparently lost your beauty points. They didn't specify what were beauty points and what were regular points. So I'm thinking you guys should be entitled to get your points back. So make sure that happens. I know a lot of people will be complaining because you know what? You don't know what is beauty because it doesn't specify what's beauty in your breakdowns of your points. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. But right now the cashier was telling me, she says it's supposed to be like a better system than what it used to be, more money makers. I don't know. I don't know. To me, the thing just seemed the same today. I don't know. Maybe it didn't kick in. I have no idea. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I got a lot of Ibotta deals. So the Cheerios General Mills cereal is on sale for $1.88. You guys want to buy 2 of them. There is a $1 off coupon that is in a digital coupon. You guys would just get this for $2.76 or $1.38. Usually these are $1.99, but this time they're $1.88. I got Cheerios because I make these Cheerio treats and I'm really craving their Cheerio treats. So yes. Now here is a great deal that you guys want to definitely do with Ibotta before it ends. So I got the Bic Silky Touch razors. Now these were $3.99. You want to buy 2 of them. There is a $3 off digital coupon that is for these. We did get some printables. Those are not for these. They're just, there's a regular digital for Silky Touch or whatever. You would pay $4.98 for the both of these. But then you can submit a $2.50 rebate and a $2.50 rebate with Ibotta. And you guys get 2,000 points, which now they call it $2 of Walgreens cash or whatever, but $2 in points. Making this a $2.02 moneymaker. You guys will get these absolutely free, plus some money makers. That is awesome. So yes, my store never has these tags, ever. Never have them tagged. But here is the Toffee Fay. These are a good gift if you guys want to give Christmas gifts. These are 2 for $4. You would pay $4 for this, but there is a $1.50 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $2.50 or $1.25 if you guys need to get these. So that was a pretty good deal. I want to share with you guys this deal. I was not planning this until I saw my store had these in stock. So these are $3.99. I actually use this. I use this more in the summertime than in the wintertime because my hair gets really like frizzy, and I thought this stuff really helps. So these were $3.99 at buy one get one 50% off. We did get a 5 off a 2 coupon in today's inserts. You guys would just get these for 98 cents. So 49 cents a piece. I think that is a great deal, and this is stuff that I actually really love enjoying. Now when I did this deal, I was not thinking straight, but it's an okay deal. I have a ton of digital Revlon coupons for eye products. Nothing for Home, just Revlon. So I bought this. I use, these are $7.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to use a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. I had a ton of different digitals, but the 4 off a 2 came off, so that's okay. You would pay $7.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $4 register reward, making them $3.98 or just $1.99. So I wasn't thinking, I mean, it's an okay deal. You know, sometimes we can't always get things for free, and that's what we got to get it in our head. Can't always get things for free, but if we can get stuff like 75% cheaper than what the original price was, then I think that is a steal. Okay. Now, I did the Renews It deal. I don't ever get the physical coupons, but my digital did not come off. So now we're having it where the digital doesn't even work instead of having at least 1 coupon come off. So if your coupon does work, make sure you guys, you know, pay attention to it. Oh, somebody opened this one. Or no, it started to rip open. Okay. Anyways, these are 89 cents. You guys want to buy 6 of them. You want to use the buy 4 get 2 coupon, or there's a digital. But you guys would end up paying $3.56 for the both of these. But then you can submit a $1 off a 3 rebate with Ibotta, making it $2.56 or just 42 cents a piece if you want to do that deal. So yes, I ended up doing the Swanson. Now we did get some 50-cent off coupons, and I didn't know if they were gonna work for the can, so I didn't even bother cutting them out. I kind of want to save those for like the cardboard containers anyways. So the Swanson chicken broth is 2 for $4, you guys. This deal does end soon, so make sure you guys do this deal as many times as you can. You would pay $1 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 off a 2 rebate with Ibotta, making these absolutely for free. Now, if you guys do use that coupon, it'll be a $1 moneymaker. So, yes. Okay, so I did the toothpaste. We haven't gotten toothpaste in a while. So I'm gonna share with you guys the Colgate deal. Now this is not the greatest deal, but you know what? Some people are brand loyal, some people wanna get stuff, and I'm here to share with you guys deals. So this was $2.99. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys wanna use. You would pay $4.98 for this, but you get no points for buying this, but you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these 98 cents, so 49 cents a piece. I just wanted to get some Ibotta rebates, you guys. This is a great month. We are gonna hit level 4, so if you guys follow my deals, especially Walmart, we will get to level 4. So I thought I was just gonna do it just to share with you guys in case, you know, some people wanted to go ahead and do it. And then I got the Crest toothpaste. The Crest toothpaste is on sale for $3. You guys want to use a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I had 2 other digitals that I had to unclip. How to unclip coupons is you guys got to go to your thing that like pops up in the app that says savings, and then I just do brand name and then I remove it. It'll come back. It says it doesn't, but it will. But you guys would end up paying $4 off that 5 off of 3 digital coupon, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making these absolutely for free. So now it is the time to get toothpaste for free. Yes, and I got one more deal to share with you guys. So I was gonna I'm trying to do as many rebate deals as I can, especially freebies. So I did this. I don't think this was a freebie. No, this is still a decent deal. The rebate ends pretty soon on Ibotta. So these were $3.99. You guys want to use a buy one get one, or you guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got from our inserts from the Smart Source last week. I know it's weird, Smart Source. But anyways, you would pay $2.98 for the both of these, but then you get a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making them just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. Now, I will say, you guys can submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards and you will get points. I've been having nonstop problems with Fetch Rewards. They have not been giving me my full credits. It's been 2 weeks since I've heard back from them and they're still not responding. The person I went on tour with back in February, I texted her. She has responded to me on other texts, but this time she's not. I don't know if Fetch is hurting. I think that they might be hurting just because of COVID or something. I don't know. But they're really starting to make me mad. Right now they're at the bottom and I'm starting to cash out on my rebates because I don't trust them. And if you guys noticed, Sasha mentioned this to me a couple times already. If you guys redeem your Walmart for Walmart on Fetch, you will see that you have to pay more points for Walmart than any other gift cards. I don't know why Walmart all of a sudden is higher than the others. I don't know, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up. So yeah, my total came to $31.22. I do have some deals that I'll share with you guys at the end of the video, but $31.22. I got $12.50 back with Ibotta. I ended up getting 6 rebates with Ibotta. That's awesome. So $12.50 with Ibotta, 2,000 points for the Bic disposables, and then I got $8 worth of register rewards. My grand total came to $8.72, 25 items at just 34 cents a piece. Sorry, I got a text message, probably my husband. Nope, Joanne Fabrics is, yeah. But anyways, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye. The Suave Ocean Breeze, they're on sale for 2 for $5. I do have a digital coupon for $2 off of 2 of the Suave or Dove. It did scan as that product. you guys would end up paying $1.75 for the both of these, but then you can submit with Ibotta. There is a 25-cent rebate times 2 with Ibotta, making them $1.25 if you want to do that deal. If you guys need the big bottle of Persil, they're currently on sale for $11.99. We do have a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can use, making them $8.99, and there's a $3 rebate with checkout 51 that you guys can get, making these just $5.99.